Quick reading for January the 13th to January the 14th, Aries. Ako, ito yung pinaka-Aries na pag-uugali. Ayoko ng drama. So it felt like, by the way, we have the Hierophant, the Four of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands. Pwede ditong, sige, sapat na sa akin marinig yung apology and then kaya naman kitang patawarin. Let's move forward to this. Ayoko ng iyakan, no? Or pwede rin naman dito kasi yung sapat na yung apology mo, pwede rin dito yung pinakinggan na kita and then I'm going to move forward to it. Wala na akong dapat pang ipaliwanag, wala ka na rin dapat marinig. Sapat na sa akin, no, na meron kang apology and maluwag na yung loob ko. Probably we can repel and go with each other's life. Pero kasi with the Ace of Wands, ang nakikita natin dito, kung gaano kabilis, kasi walang drama-drama eh, no? Parang, sige, nag-apologize ka na, come on, let's walk hand in hand together. Or probably, lika, pasok na sa kwarto. You know what I mean, no? So, let's make amends there. So, this is your quick reading, Aries, for January the 13th to January the 14th.
Predicting future is my purpose.